fire, guys. Oh, shoot. Where are they at? I don't know where they are. Dang it, it didn't blow. Take me! Good job, man. I'm gonna go get my you know what, in fact, did you get one for you? You back around and flank them? They don't even realize you're back there. Go, 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 go! This way, this way!
What's that?
Fractal! When they cease, we go this way. Here, you follow? Where's Leaf? Okay. Where's Eric? He doesn't have a van. Eric? Oh no, he's got a van.
Dude, what else to tell you?
I know. I saw it right here.
Oh my god.
That's what I said. Okay, I'm gonna move up to sport. I don't see anybody. I'm gonna move up. Leave! Cover me! Got it! Leak! Hit! Good job, man! But yeah, you could post up in here and just nobody would accept it.
Yeah, but as soon as I saw you.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, we can.
Okay, cross this sucker. It looks there. I'm gonna cross this here.
Okay, I'll cover you. You want to do the same?
Maybe. Okay,
Here. Stay on my butt. I'm gonna go, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, geez. Careful, careful. Ow, hit, ow. Dude, don't. Gosh, dang, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. That hurt a lot. How's it look?
Oh, dude.
I'm pretty sure that was within 10 feet. That hurt so bad.
Dude, siege tactic just saved me. I laid by that car, and because I saw him, and I just laid down. Bang bang.
I'm popping the spine.
Yeah, I got right here.
Oh, damn.
Does that look pretty bad?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Is it bleeding?
I shot in the hand twice,
It's
dude.
just a little red dot.
This is the first shot of the day.
Oh, nice one, dude.
Oh, there you go.
I got one here.
I still feel this one. I
Oh
can't.
yeah, I got one on my.
Yeah,
Just-
that's why I'm wearing like a Under Armour underneath this.
Yeah.
A little extra springiness. So.
I got a shirt underneath this too. That's actually why I wear this, is for a little bit of extra padding.
Yeah.
And most of the time it does really well. But every now and then when somebody gets a good shot.